Hello friends, my name is Sachin. I am founder of Previse Studio. Football is a universal language and it has no barriers. So I decided to make something unique for upcoming World Cup Qatar 2022. So me and my team has made the complete virtual reality kit for for all football fans across the world. They can view all 32 top teams, world class players, their statistics and match schedule. So this kit consists of two things. One is the hardware, which is a very common cardboard VR kit, and second is a software application which will be loaded on Google Play Store and Apple Store. So simply you have to download that in the mobile set and you have to assemble this kit. The steps are quite easy. This is a kit which I removed from the envelope. You have to just press this box and the box is ready, and this is a lens board which simply you have to insert this in VR board, and the kit is ready for you. The kit is just in 5 minutes, the kit is ready for you. Just you have to place your mobile over here and you are ready to view the amazing, wonderful World Cup app. Thank you.